Yes, all right, YouTube. You're welcome to Benkeyz Piano free lesson today. I'm going to teach you praises. This is a deliverance praises. You can play this song along any place they are doing deliverance. The song is an emo song, but the meaning of the song is very great. He said, Angel Michael have opened the gate of heaven for other angels to appear and perform miracle on the deliverance ground. That's the meaning of the song. Angel Michael me bonus anyway, and the Moses anyway. So I'm going to sing. Angel, Angel Michael. Yes. I'm the key. But I don't think whether I'm going to sing along the beat that I'm going to play along, but I will try and do that for you. So listen and listen very, very attentively, just to watch and watch very carefully for you to see watch the movement of my hand. And though I'm going to break it down when I play finish. The song is just 1 4 1 5 progression, but it is very good. It's very necessary that you learn some technique and the scales that I used to play. The progression is not the main fact. You may know the progression without the color. If what you're learning now is how to color it, how to make it sound as advanced player, not to playing like a beginner. So no need for you to be playing as a beginner while you're watching on my channel. Watching on my channel will fetch you a good thing in life that it will change your life affirmatively. You will play like advanced player. So let us go. And Michael me bonus anyway, Gandhi Moses. Yes, yes, YouTube. This is what I bring for you. Very soundable and understandable, but you need more lighting on it. So the song is just one. If you never know how to play progression, today I'm going to take you along with this kind of this place. I always play lead line here because it is very good. You can play, you can mix some notes there, very colorful. This is one. Watch my hand very carefully. Four. Watch my hand very carefully. I play la do fa. Here I play so do mi do. Here I play so ti re, which is so. And yeah, my game bonus anyway. So you may ask, how can I play? How do I play the lead line that I'm playing there? Which I play do re mi re do so fa la fa 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 re mi do re mi re do. Which is mi re do so la fa 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 re mi do fa mi re do. Mi re do. All I know is that it's something like mi re do so fa la fa 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 re mi do so ti 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 re so something like that is try to play it very well, then you have mastered it. So another thing is how to solo the song. So I use this thing as passing chord as usual, which is E flat and G. When I'm playing, okay, F major, and like I'm gonna give So this is how they play this one. I know you have understand the solo. Thank you for watching. Just hit that subscribe sharp because you have learned a great thing. Thank you for watching. Like, comment there when you don't understand. Comment immediately sharp.